This is Toast Go 2. It's a mobile credit card reader that you can use to take payments from your customers. And it's the latest point of sale system or credit card reader that Toast actually offers. But when you go to their website and you actually build your kit, so you go over here to handheld kit, you click on build my starter kit, and then you can go down and you can choose, do you want to pay as you go, or do you want to do the standard payment plan that they have? If you do the pay as you go, it's 2.99% plus an additional 15 cents per transaction. Or you can do you pay $627 up front and you pay $69 a month, and that actually comes out to 2.49% plus 15 cents per transaction. And I'm gonna be completely honest here, in both scenarios, you're kind of getting screwed. So let's just say we go ahead and we pick the standard one. Then if we want to do, digital ordering, so we want to have our own website where our customers can go to order from, that's $75 a month. So we're going to go ahead and add that to our kit. And if we want to email our customers promotions or discounts or just things to get our customers back in the door, that's an additional $75 a month. If you want gift cards, $50 a month. A loyalty program, another $50 per month. And then we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now this is essential, especially if you're running a restaurant. You have to have DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub, because a lot of the people who are shopping, who want food, place their orders on these apps. So in order to do that, you have to pay $30 per month for each of these delivery services. All right, so then on top of that, if you want catering, that's another 100. An additional a unit, you have to pay additional for that. Self-ordering kiosk. So all of really the essentials that you need are what I already have in the checkout. So if you look down below, so what we have to pay today is $627. Okay, so one upfront payment today, that's what I have to pay. Then per month, $394. And this is not even a full-blown POS. This is just a handheld point of sale system. And then on top of that, you have to pay 2.49% plus an additional 15 cents per transaction. So at the end of the month, if you're doing $30,000 per month in sales at your restaurant, you're going to be paying over $1,000 per month just to have this handheld device. And there's much better options out there with the same exact functionality as Toast. And that's actually what I have here today. This is called a PAX A920. Now, don't get caught up in, all the technical stuff. It does the same exact thing that the Toast handheld device does. So with this credit card reader right here, the payment processing company actually supplies these for free to business owners who are doing over $10,000 per month in sales. So that means that instead of paying the $627 that you would to Toast, you're going to get this thing for free. So instead of paying that software fee of $394 and a credit card processing fee of 2.49%, plus 15 cents per transaction, instead of paying that, you can actually drop both of those fees all the way down to just a flat rate fee of $50 per month. So instead of buying the Toast 2 credit card reader, you should buy this instead. But the only way that you're going to be able to get this is if you watch this video right here, because I go over exactly how you can get this for free and how to drop that bill from, $1,000 per month all the way down to a flat rate fee of just $50 per month. Click on that video right there, and I'll see you over there. Peace.